I'm going to remain on the island. The people here need me. It's important. Please tell my father for me, okay? Don't worry! I'll be fine! Hurry on inside!
Oh, you're here.
Where is Lady Flare?
No, don't tell me she decided to stay.
What? Why didn't you try and stop her?
Setsu, it's fine. We need some people to stay on the island, too. She truly takes after her mother.
Then I shall also go outside, make sure everything's okay. Everyone, please look after His Majesty.
Setsu,
Yes, sir?
please take good care of Flare for me.
Yes, sir.
Also, tell the remaining citizens to just hang in there for now, okay?
I will.
Are we ready to go? All right.
Any news?
Yes. According to Suikoden's message, the people in the area are gathering at the wharf. What shall we do?
The wharf? Something's going on. I'll go see for myself. Inform the other ships to stand by, and stay alert.
Yes, sir.
Hey! One of the ships is headed this way! Hurry! Hurry up and escape! I will take care of this! Hey there! Over here! I'm over here! Right here, guys! Do you need a target to aim for? Okay, I've got one! Aim for this!
What's that?
What does he think he's doing?
There's something in that vicinity. Search the area carefully.
Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Hurry!
Everything on our end is ready, sir.
Good. This is it. We've got only one chance at this. You're in charge here. When you're ready, give the order to set sail.
Bring down the cliff!
What the?
It seems the wharf has collapsed.
No, There's something inside. Prepare to fire the rune cannon.
Yes, sir!
Hard to port! Let's get out of here!
Fire!
Shall we pursue them?
Damn it. There's no time. We'll take care of the ship later. All hands prepare to make landfall as planned.
Yes, sir!
Right now, we won't stand a chance against their fleet.
Flare, Setsu, everyone, I'm sorry. Please hold on just a while longer. I will return to the kingdom, I swear.
We will now establish an interim Kuluk government here. This will benefit not only Kuluk, but everyone on the island.
Yeah!
Hail, Sir Troy!
Your Majesty, please be safe.